So this is Happy Sheet. It's available at bettersheets.co. I'll put a link in the description. It is a new template I just made where I'm going to show you what it does. It sends birthday reminders and or automatic birthday emails. This is super great for local businesses that you want to keep people in mind, but also businesses whose logistics really need this, like bakeries or any party store or any party planning event. Like if you have a client list and you just want to remind them, hey, it's your birthday coming up. Can we do something with you? This is awesome. So let me show you how it works. It's super simple. Put in your name, date of somebody's birthday, type in what they do. Birthday, could also be anniversary, work anniversary, but you could also set this all different types of stuff. You can write it here and give your own event names. Then put their email. Now, it doesn't look like much, but here's what happens. Go to Happy Sheet. You can either set up reminders, so enable reminders, adds tasks into your Google Tasks, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. This is set for today. Over here in tasks, which is going to show up on my calendar and on my phone. Don't forget, birthday for Randy today. I can click this, done. I reminded, I went and sent a message, but also you can send emails. I'm doing this one-off, but you can set this to automatically happen every single day. And here it is. Hey, wow, Randy, it's that time of year again. Time to celebrate. Woo! Okay, where do I edit that email? It's right here in settings. What we do is we take their name, put it in 2 curly brackets, and put their event, 2 curly brackets. And you can write whatever you want here. In fact, you could even set an offset where you say, I want to send emails 2 weeks in advance or a month in advance, like 30 days in advance. And say, hey, your birthday's coming up. Can we do something with you? Well, all you have to do is go to Happy Sheet, enable auto offset emails. What that does is you adjust the days. So you can do 10 days, 100 days, whatever it is. Then it's going to send this H3 in the cell H3, right? Hey, your birthday's coming up. Can we do something with you? Do you want to do this again? Do you want to do blah, blah? Awesome, right? Super simple way to automatically send birthdays, holidays, anniversaries, anything, just yearly reminders. What's going to happen is it's going to say, when was the last task created or when was the last email sent? And every year it'll send it again. So you can have hundreds of people in here. It could be your coworkers, colleagues, freelancers that you're working with. Just a nice little greeting. Hey, today's your birthday, blah, blah. Or, hey, tomorrow's your birthday. I hope you plan something cool. Here, reply and let me know what you want to do or anything. Like, you could write any messages you want. It's a really cool little reminder system. I love it. $10 over at bettersheets.co. Grab it. It's free for lifetime members. So if you ever want to become a lifetime member of bettersheets.co, it's free. They get all these tools for free, all these premium templates, all kinds of info, all these wild sheets, workspace add-ons that I make. Or just become a member and learn how to make these things yourself, which is really, really cool, right? Let me know what you want to do.